Hey guys, Jerry from Showtime Audio. So we're finishing up the Phil's Z06 project, this 2023 Z06 Corvette. We're working on the rear sensors, which is 2 RXs, and then actually there's a TX right there. This is the template for the rear housing. So we're building an acrylic housing for the rear of this Z06. So here's another one of the templates. We'll actually show you Honda's working on the actual version of it, and it's a multiple part template. So this part goes in there to mimic the car itself, and then this, and we'll show you this once he has it more assembled. Actually, I got this wrong. So it goes like this. And what that does is, I don't know if you can see that, but it gives us the arc. So what that does is, otherwise this piece of acrylic is straight, but when he combines them like this, it creates the arc, so that when we put it in there, it follows the body line of the vehicle and also the shape. The acrylic housing hides the sensors itself. Right. All right, so this is the actual template which we lasered out on our laser in-house. And then this is the Perspex acrylic, right? So this is the actual IR acrylic that we're gonna be using to skin the housing itself. And then Hondo is also working on the upper piece, which is very thin and delicate, but this is the actual upper piece, and these are where the sensors will live, right, Hondo? Yep. And then to locate them, and then that notch is so we have those two, and then this is around where the lights are and the backup camera, all the center stuff, correct, Hondo?
Yep.
Yep. All right, so stay tuned for more updates.